And now your mama knows. It's a sad day. You see how quiet things are? See everything packed? Because we are leaving here in about a half an hour, never to return until another vacation. But wait, because even though we got to drive back to Jersey, we're going to actually stop in North Carolina. Look at all this stuff. It's sad. And Bobby's crying. Sierra's crying. Check it out, guys. We made a stop in North Carolina so we could check out the place where you could eat and watch a movie. It's kind of cool. It's like an actual restaurant. Wow. With movies and everything you could buy. That's cool. This is cool. This is kind of cool. Now this is like, wow.
Stella, let's go!
Locked her away from the world.
Alright, so we just seen scary stories and it was pretty good. My food was great. What about yours?
It was good.
I guess time to go home?
Yep.
Well, let's do it.
It's a
Look at
greasy
this.
strangler.
This is very cool. Over here, we got like actual stuff to buy. They got mad balls.
Jason Mad Ball.
Oh wow.
They're starting.
Look at that. It's my childhood right here, man. This is pretty cool. 1,000-piece puzzle. Castlevania. Shirts. Oh, my boy Leo. Wow, you could rent movies from here?
Yeah, and then you drop them in there when you're done.
Oh, look at that. Wow, they got comic books. That's hot. And you just turned it on? Look at that. That's cool. Wow. Coolest place to eat. It's sitting right here. Look at that. Red hot karate action. Come on, man. That's cool. Video violence. Oh, look at that. This place is awesome. Wow.
Like our child back in the day, VCR movies and stuff. That's cool that they make it.
And check it out. You could put an actual video in there. Annie, what you got it on? Fast forward? Oh. Wow. Rent VCRs. Like, really? Wow. Alright, guys. Are y'all ready to go home? Back to reality?
No. Take me
So,
back to SC.
take us about 6 hours and
47
15 minutes to get home.
47 minutes.
Okay. 47 minutes. So,
Sign.
home here we come. Mwah. Come to see you, Josie. We're about 3 hours home. We're in Maryland. And we stopped to get something to eat. Right, Glitter Sister?
Yes, sir.
We just got
So
home.
much better than the right
Here.
And,
Can you eat my tacos?
I guess that's it. Bobby grabbed his stuff. I don't even know if I could go in the house yet.
Like, I really don't want to.
Throwing it for what?
Alright, let's do it.
Don't shut the door.
Josie!
She doesn't know she's like,
She's like, oh my god, you guys are back. It's real. Look at her. She's like, ah! Josie! Josie! Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And now, your mama knows.